Hi, my name is Patrick and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with a little ACT English question. This is question 28 on the English section of ACT 59F. Now right there, pause it. Pause the video. Why not take a crack at it yourself? And then when you're done, you can unpause the video, watch the explanation. Come on. Let go. It reads, unfortunately, the code talkers sometimes face dangerous peril from their own side. Well, one thing that we'll see over and over again in the ACT English section is that in a question like this, where there is no question per se, right? There are only options and it's our job to pick the best alternative. We should check the shortest answer first, or the one with the least punctuation, whichever one might be there. So in this case, which would that be? Careful. It might look like H, right? Because that seems to end the soonest. But J actually says to omit the underlined portion. Well, if we erased everything that were underlined, that would definitely be the shortest possible option. So let's give it a whirl. Unfortunately, the code talkers sometimes faced peril from their own side. Did that work? Yeah, cool. So we're done. The answer's J. Still, if you're interested in why the other three answers didn't work, it's an issue of redundancy. We have dangerous peril. Well, what does peril mean? Danger, right? So what would hazardous peril be? Or risky peril? Here's another example of redundancy. Every year in my town, they hold an annual pumpkin growing contest. What's wrong with that sentence? Well, it sounds like they hold a pumpkin growing contest in my town every year. And what's the name of the contest? Well, it's the annual oh wait. Annual means every year, so. Damn. Whenever we can, we'd like to avoid expressing the same idea using multiple words, as in dangerous, hazardous, or risky peril. So yeah, J worked. We don't need any of that stuff. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? My name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.